Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make gravy at home using an easy method. Making delicious homemade gravy is simpler than you might think, and it elevates any meal. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients, primarily your flavorful pan drippings from roasted meats, some all-purpose flour, and a good quality broth. You'll also need a whisk and a saucepan to get started. Let's dive into the first step of this culinary journey. The heart of a great gravy is a well-made roux, which acts as our thickening agent and flavor base. First, heat about 2 tablespoons of the fat from your pan drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. Once shimmering, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth paste. Continue to cook this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly, until it achieves a beautiful light golden brown color. This step is crucial for developing a rich, nutty flavor. Now it's time to transform our roux into a luscious gravy. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in about 2 cups of warm broth or stock into your roux. Adding it gradually helps prevent lumps and ensures a silky smooth consistency. Keep whisking continuously as you pour. Once all the liquid is incorporated, bring the gravy to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. This allows the gravy to thicken beautifully. With your gravy simmering and thickening, it's time for the final, crucial step, seasoning. Taste your gravy and adjust with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfectly balanced. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a dash of fresh or dried herbs like thyme or sage. Once seasoned to your liking and at your desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Your delicious, homemade gravy is now ready to be served warm over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or anything else you desire. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.